I've been selling online for the last 10 years. Let me tell you 10 reasons why it's still a great side hustle and how we can turn it into a nice lifestyle business. In the words of Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. E-commerce never sleeps, but you can wake up every day to new orders and cash flowing your way. Reason number 1, it's a growing market. 1 in every £3 now spent is spent online. Everyone now shops on their phone while standing on the bus stop, waiting in line, or chilling on the sofa, so there's never been a better time to get in on the action. Number 2 is that it's a perfect side hustle. Easy to start, easy to understand, no commitment, virtually risk-free. All you need to have is an idea and a supplier for your products. Orders come during the day, you can get them ready in the evening and just send them the next day. Number 3 is low initial costs, as you can start trading from home. Order a minimum quantity of the product, some packaging, and you're in business. This is invaluable for validating your product market fit. Once the sales volume increases, you can then think of getting out of the house and move into a proper premises. But again, this part happens only after the initial sales success, so no risk there. Number 4 is the support system. It's never been easier to get help, whether it's with setting up the store, integration with shipping companies, advertising, all the help you need is out there and available for cheap in places like Upwork. I work with many freelancers from all around the world and would not get very far without them. Once you start making decent turnover, you can think of using advertising agencies to level up your marketing efforts. I'll make a separate video about those. Number 5 is low risk. You can start selling on existing marketplaces without any additional work. Just list the items on Facebook Marketplace and eBay and see for yourself if anyone wants to buy them. You might have to go through a number of product ranges and vendors before you get a hit. There's no substitute for actually getting someone to pay. No amount of umming and ohing and market research will beat a real-life test. Avoid analysis paralysis by all costs. Number 6 is similar. No great tech skills needed. Back in the day when I started, e-commerce was very technical. You needed to integrate your shopping cart with payment gateways, set up everything from scratch. Today, all you need is to create product listings on your chosen marketplaces or upload your images and descriptions to Shopify. The platform will take care of the rest. Number 7 is the reason Google and Meta are trillion-dollar companies. Advertising. It's so powerful, makes merchants so much money that there's an actual bidding war going on for clicks. The numbers are staggering. Learning about Google ads and Facebook ads in particular is worth its weight in gold. This will provide you with a reliable customer acquisition strategy that you can scale up and down as you wish. Number 8, the logistics side of things, increasingly handled by dedicated logistics partners like Habu. Courier companies like DX can handle large goods like furniture and sports equipment. Amazon FBA allows you to ship items to their warehouse directly from the manufacturer, so again, you don't need to pay for storage. If you use a logistics partner like this, you won't need a warehouse of your own and might even get out of packing orders altogether. These logistics partners will integrate directly into your Shopify, so all the order data and product data will get sent to them automatically, so you don't really have to do anything apart from paying the monthly invoice. Number 9, world's your oyster. You can source your goods literally anywhere. Europe, America, India, China, everyone's used to dealing with international trade. Suppliers on Alibaba speak really good English and are really helpful. You can source existing product ranges or order custom-made products depending on your specification. A large number of white label manufacturers operate in many industries, allowing you to create a new brand from scratch in days. You can see those on Amazon with brand names looking like Scrabble. White label is also a popular choice in the food and supplements industry. However, don't get too excited about it. Building a brand is a long-term project and you will probably need much more than just existing Alibaba products. Customers will also quickly spot that the same product is available under different brands. A good success story is a brand called Anchor. Seemingly coming out of nowhere, but the products are so well built and engineered, it's clear that they do their own research and development. Number 10. Ideas are trivial to validate, and it's never been more important to find the true product market fit. I wanted to start a line of sleep-related products, eye masks, earplugs, nose strips, mouth tapes. Before committing to any large moves, I bought some of these on Amazon to see if they would sell in my online store. Even though I didn't have any profit from this, the feedback of customers buying them or not, as in this case, was very valuable. Doing it this way meant that I didn't have to wait to establish a full supply chain and wait until the first batch of products arrived from the manufacturer. The time saved was worth it tenfold. It turned out the demand wasn't really there and we shelved the idea. If you're feeling lucky, you can play a bit of a risky game where you come up with product images, descriptions, advertise them before the products are even made. You will see what the search volumes look like, what advertising rates look like, is there any meaningful traffic, all with virtually zero risk. Simply refund the customers when they place orders and apologize to them, and promise to get back to them once you get your hands on the good. At this point, no one knows you exist, so the reputational risk is minimal. So, is it still worth doing in 2025? Watch my next video to find out all the things you need to look out for to avoid getting in hot water. See ya!